Doing today is some drainage. So I dug this out with my eye, no laser level or nothing. It is perfect. So we're running this sump pump line out to the road there. We got permission and stuff with our code officer. And then on the other side, we're gonna put that 15-inch drainage in. We've been dug a swale in the back, so stay tuned and we'll get some action going. Coupler, 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch coupler. It's running beautiful. The sump pump kicked on and it's just going real slow right now. That was all done. No laser level, just an eye. Oh no, that's actually pretty good. Grab that brick, please.
Where is it?
It's right. I'm gonna put it right there. Somewhere right there. Right there to your left. Thanks. We'll just put it so it stays straight for a couple minutes, so it doesn't screw that glue.
Right.
There she came running out. So we're gonna go and lock the pipe in with the stone. We're locking the pipe in. That too down there. Look at this. I know I'm handsome, but don't give me that much. Okay, get this down in here. set up a little bit. Let that set up. Make it real nice. As far as the wheelbarrow goes, I'll probably rinse it out. If you got a bucket, I could put some water in it right now. I gotta let that set up. I'll let that set up a little bit. We'll fancy it up, make it look real good. It's gotta stiffen up though. So that's that, locked in. So we're gonna go ahead and backfill this. We prettied that up at the end. It's running great. We're gonna go ahead and backfill this, and thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you on the next one.